students, welcome to the chapter index number. In the previous session we have discussed and solved examples on quantity index number. Okay students, in today's session I'm going to solve some important 2 marks questions. So these questions are very important for exam. Okay, so let us take the example. The first one, if last year's index number is 150.3 and past index number is 144.6, find Darvish-Bowley's and Fisher's index number. Okay students, here direct answers are already given. Okay, so this means you have to apply the direct formula. Okay, so which formula you have to apply here? Given. So what is given? P0 of last pair is already given, that is 150.3, and P0 of past is already given, 144.6. So as you know, here we have to find Darvish-Bowley's and Fisher's index number. So first we have to write the formula of Darvish-Bowley. So what is that formula? P0 of Darvish-Bowley equals 1 by 2 into bracket P0 of last pair plus P0 of past. So using this formula we have to calculate P0 of Darvish-Bowley, because already last pair's answer is given and P0 of past is given. Okay, so now you substitute the values, then find P0 of Darvish-Bowley's. Substitute the values. Okay students, P0 of last pair is 150.3, substitute here. P0 of past is 144.6. So after adding these two values, then divided by 2. So the final answer is P01 of Darvish-Bowley is equal to 147.45. So same as it is, now we have to find Fisher's index number. So the formula is P0 of Fisher's equals root of P0 of last pair into P0 of past. So again you substitute the values. Using this formula you have to find Fisher's. Okay, P0 of last pair is 150.3 and P0 of past is 144.6. So after substituting the values, you multiply these two values. So after multiplying these two values, take the root of this. So the final answer is P0 of Fisher equals 147.42. Okay students, take next example. Okay, these are for 2 marks. If P0 of last pair is equal to 220.6 and P0 of Darvish-Bowley is equal to 228.4, then find P0 of past. Okay students, here last pair is given, Darvish-Bowley is given. In this question you have to find P0 of past. Okay, first you write the formula. Okay, so this is the formula here. P0 of Darvish-Bowley is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket of P0 of last pair plus P0 of past, right? So here already P0 of Darvish-Bowley is given. Okay, and P0 of last pair is given. In this question we have to find P0 of past. So let us substitute the values. P0 of Darvish-Bowley is 228.4, 1 by 2 into P0 of last pair is 220.6. So now we have to find P0 of past. See, next step is cross multiply these two. 2 cross multiply these two. 2 into 228.4 becomes, so after multiplying cross multiply, 2 into 228.4 is 456.8. So this is equal to what remains? 220.6 plus P0 of past. So now this P0 of P keep as it is. Take this 220.6 into LHS side. So it becomes P0 of past is equal to 456.8 minus 220.6. So subtract this 220.6 from 456.8. So 456.8 minus 220.6. After subtracting, the final answer is P0 of past is 236.2. Okay, students, take next example. Here P0 of past is 101.6 and P0 of Fishers is 99.6. Then find last year's index number. Students, what is given here? Past is given and Fishers is given already. So you have to find last year's index number. So first to write the Fishers price index number formula. We know the Fishers index number formula is P0 of Fishers is equal to root of P0 of last year into P0 of past. Okay. So students, already here P0 of Fishers is given, substitute here, and P0 of past is given, substitute here. P0 of last year keep as it is. Okay. So P0 of Fishers is 99.6 and P0 of past is 101.6. P0 of last year keep as it is. So here we have to find P0 of last year. So what is next step? You square both sides. So squaring both sides. Okay, after squaring, this becomes 99.6 whole square into square and root get cancels. After squaring, square and root get cancels. What remains? P0 of last year into 101.6. So after this, take this 101.6 into LHS side. It becomes P0 of last year keep as it is. So it becomes P0 of last year is equal to 99.6 whole square divided by 101.6. So after squaring this and divided by 101.6, the final answer is P0 of last year is equal to 97.64. P0 of last year is 97.64. Okay, students. So in the next class, so I am going to explain test for an index numbers. So we have different types of tests. So in the next class, I am going to discuss test for an index number. Thank you.